Here's what a big brother does. Hey, are you the big brother? Are you Hank's big brother? Are you glad he's here? What do you like about Hank? Can you tell us what you like about Hank?
Easy access and nursing.
What do you like about Hank? What do you like? Tell me the best thing about him. Tell me the best thing about Hank. What's the best thing about him? Anything? What do you like? What do you know about Hank? What's the best thing you like about Hank? Is he little? Is he little? Is he big? Is he bigger than your Transformer?
No. It's like they had taken all these ones.
He's little. He's little?
It was gorgeous stuff. And then she had the matching bow.
Is he a baby?
Every outfit. Yes. And I think she wore every
What's Mommy going to do with Hank? Can you tell me what Mommy's going to do with Hank?
I understand.
Is she going to take him home or leave him up here?
Take him home.
Take him home, and then what's she going to do with him?
Okay. We're walking to that.
Is she going to
Play Transformers with me, Little Transformers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Adult video.
That's right.